Welcome to today's lesson. And today's topic is the concepts of print. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to recognize different sources of print, interpret information from diagrams, charts, and graph, recognize parts of a book, title, author, and illustrator, and recognize that a group of sentences make up a paragraph and paragraphs make up a story. Kids, are you ready? Great! Now let's get started. We have different sources of print, like books, storybooks or our textbooks, newspapers, magazines, etc., etc. We get information from all these materials. We can also get information about different things from charts, diagrams, and graphs. So, what are the charts, diagrams, and graphs? A chart is a picture which is used to make information easier to understand. A diagram is a simple plan that shows an idea of how a thing looks to help you understand it better, and most times explains how it works. A graph is a picture that helps you express quantities and show the connection between two or more quantities. Now, take a look at the parts of a book. In every book, we have the title, author, the spine, illustrator, front cover, and back cover. The title of the book tells us the name of the book you are about to read. The author is the person who wrote the book. The illustrator is the one who drew the pictures seen on and in the book. Front cover. This is where the title and the author of the book are written. Back cover. This is where the summary of the book is written and also where you find a brief biography of the author of the book. Next, the spine. This is the edge of a book where the title and the author of the book are also written. This is also what holds the pages of the book together. Kids, now that we know the parts that make up a book, let us go on to know how the stories are made. The story you read in your storybook is made up of paragraphs. What is a paragraph, you might ask? A paragraph is a group of words put together. It is often made up of several sentences. A paragraph could be half of a page long or can also be 5 sentences long. We have finally come to the end of today's lesson. And today we learned about sources of print through graphs, charts, and diagrams. We also learned about the different parts that make up a book and also learned about paragraphs. Kids, it's assessment time! See you next lesson!